back in the day, up until 1917, roads didn't have a standard when it came to dividing lines. It was just understood that you could hug the right side of the road and everything would be all good. Well, this kind of fell apart when it came to corners. Drivers would tend to steer in and cut corners going into the opposite lane. So in 1917, the first center line was painted and was chosen to be the color white by the designer. That designer, Edward Hines, was inspired to paint the lines white when he saw a milk spill from a delivery wagon on newly paved road. White lines were later adopted by all states in 1955, all except for Oregon, who preferred yellow. And eventually, the federal government in 1971 mandated that all center lines use the color yellow and that white lines only be used for traffic going in the same direction. I can only imagine Oregon at that point saying, "See, yellow is safer." But I just thought this was interesting. 54 years of road line innovation and regulation, all inspired by some spilled milk.